the zenith city of the unsalted seas. This Duluth nickname was coined by one of the city's original settlers, Thomas Foster. Since its conception, Duluth's economy flourished through the shipping and railroad industries, and later became a core contributor to the aviation community. The world's first commercial airliner, named the Lark of Duluth, took flight from the Superior Bay in January 1914, just a decade after the Wright brothers' first powered flight. Duluth is home to the Duluth International Airport, the Air Guard's 148th Squadron, and the Sky Harbor Airport. The Sky Harbor Airport is located on Minnesota Point and provides the aviation community with both a hard surface and a water-based landing. Sky Harbor has played a valuable role in the aviation community, offering out-of-town pilots easy access to Duluth with its convenient location. Sky Harbor is also crucial to the local aviation industry by providing access to outdoor recreation along with inbound customs. It is home to multiple businesses such as aviation maintenance facilities and aerial sightseeing tours. These expeditions give people the opportunity to see the beauty of Duluth from above. The beauty of Duluth is evident from the rolling hills to the superior shoreline and is best seen from the skies. The legacy of Duluth aviation would not be the same without the Sky Harbor Airport as it continues to further the progress of Duluth aviation.